All right, this is the Lightmail walkthrough. This is the Lightmail homepage, or the landing page, where it asks you to log in. And I'm just going to create an account for myself here, or try to log in rather on this account that doesn't exist yet. And just to show you, if you try to log in with an account that doesn't exist, we'll redirect you to the create your account page. All right, I couldn't find that account, so here I am creating one. So I'm going to use my name, Derek at lightmail.com. Use my email, 123 password. Let's sign up. All right, once a user signs up, they are redirected to their inbox. And there's a welcome message here in the header with a logout button. On the left side, there's a contacts box. There is currently no contacts. And a create new contact button. And then on the right side, there's an inbox. You can see it says your inbox is empty. There's also a create new message button. And actually, these buttons to create new contact. Create new message, they do the same thing. If you're going to add a contact, you're also going to send a message. So let's click on create a new message. All right. This is the new message page. Again, it has contacts. There's nothing here yet. And an add contact form and then a content form. And if I were to click send right now, which I will, and a user has forgotten to fill out a form or missed something, they should get a flash message that says, please fill out all forms. So we'll do that. And I'm going to write an email to Santa. I happen to know he is a Lightmail user. Santa at lightmail.com. And I'll say, here's Santa. Please bring me a faster laptop. Thanks. All right, we'll hit send. After an email gets created, it sends you to the show page here. You can see there's a flash message that says message sent. There's also one on the bottom, so when these messages start to pile up, you can still see that you had success in sending that message. And in the top bar here, we have where the message was from, who it's going to, a couple reply and back to inbox buttons if you're at the top, and then there'll be some at the bottom as well. And then inside of the actual message here, we have where it's from, we have a timestamp, the date and the actual time, local time, and then where it went. This is the content. And then let's say that a user wants to, maybe I actually want to add something in to my message. I hit edit. All right, and then the edit page, it shows you the old message with a couple options in the header. And then you can add your new message. Here's Santa. Please bring me a faster laptop. And a puppy. Thanks. All right, and then if you hit edit, you're back in the show box, and then you can see all the same information and this new message, or the edited messages here. All right, and maybe if I hit reply here, it'll create a new one, and you can see that since I sent an email, I have a contact now. And I'm going to send another one to Santa. Dear Santa, please please. Okay. Hit send. And now it's going to go back to that show page. Well, there's the full thread will start to be displayed here. All right, but I've decided that maybe this email is a little desperate, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. You can see also, oh yeah, I saw the message sent here. So I'm going to hit delete. And then you can see just that first message I wrote exists with that option. Now, a user can edit or delete only their own messages, no one else, and I'll show you that right now. So I'm going to go back to my inbox. All right, and you can see that I haven't received any mail, but I have sent some out, and so now I have a new contact. And if I click on the contact, it will go to the same show page here that shows the full conversation between the user and that contact. There, I can say that. All right, I'm gonna log out. All right, you can see successfully logged out, flash message up here. All right, and I happen to know Santa is login, so I'm gonna log into his Lightmail account. All right, and then we're in the inbox. And you can see that Santa has received a message from me, from Derek. All right, he doesn't have any contacts yet because he hasn't created any, but he does have, the inbox is working. So if you click on the inbox message, it will show where it came from. So this always shows who's sending it out and to where, okay? But down here it says where it came from, so it doesn't need to say where it went because you know it's coming into Santa's inbox here. So it's from Derek at this date, at this time. Here's the message, and Santa reads it, okay, and he's gonna reply. All right, so it's Derek at lightmail.com. Dear Derek, only if you feel good. All right, and send. And then you have a message sent, success. And here we are in the outbox here, and here's the first message from Derek, and then here's the sent from Santa to Derek, where Santa's reply right here. And Santa's the user, so he can edit or delete the message that he has, but he cannot edit or delete any incoming stuff here, which I think I will change eventually, at least so you can get it out of your own inbox, but you can't manipulate other users' data. And then if we go back to the inbox, you can see that Santa now has a fresh contact, Derek at Lightmail. And so now every time he clicks on that contact, it will bring up the full message history between the two of them. All right, I'm gonna log out. The last thing I wanna show you is if you go to create an account, all right, let's say there's another person who wants to pretend to be Santa. They're trying to create an account for Santa. They're creating the same email address, santa@lightmail.com. You can pick whatever username you want, but it will not let you create a new account with the same email address. It'll bring you right back to the login page here. That's pretty much it for the Lightmail Sinatra app. Thanks for watching.